Greetings and Salutations, guys. Today I'm gonna show you my beloved grandmother Nasi Daging Recipe using a pressurized cooker.
Good job, Hari! This is what happens when you stay at home too long. Watch a lot of TV and go shop, and before you know it, you end up shopping online. We were watching Chef Wan cooking using this Primada Pressure cooker. We thought, man oh man, we just have to buy it. This video is not sponsored, by the way, and we bought the pressure cooker using our own money. We have had it for about 3 months now, and it's fantastic, convenient, and cooks really fast. So here are the ingredients for nasi daging. We have basmati rice, coriander, carrots, big onions, garlic, ginger, spices such as clove, cinnamon, cardamom, and broken star anise. We also have curry powder dedicated for meat, tomato puree, chicken stock, evaporated creamer, and star of the day, daging meat, guys. Like most Asian style preparation of rice, rinse it with water several times. This may also reduce the starch content. Usually basmati rice is pre-cooked halfway separately and is added at the final stage. But since we are using pressure cooker, there is no pre-cooking involved. The following step is to prepare your big onions, ginger and garlic. Cut them down into small pieces. Put them into a blender and add sufficient amount of water to get this smooth ginger garlic onion paste. Then you can start to shave and chop your carrots into edible chunks. The following step is to chop down your meat. Now, the best part of cooking meat using a pressure cooker is that you can use any type of meat you want, even the toughest part of the animal. The pressure will break all the particles, making the meat super tender. And the best part, that it doesn't take a long time to cook and also hard to overcook. Boy, am I looking forward to have my lunch. The next step is the most easy part. Put a generous amount of cooking oil and ghee, or you can use clarified butter into the pressure cooker, followed by your ginger garlic onion paste. The next step is to put all the assorted spices. In they go. Oh yeah, we forgot another ingredient, guys, which is pandan leaf. You can also tie it into a knot if you like. Also put a few teaspoons of curry powder. Make sure it is for beef, as other curry powder like fish curry powder tend to be more tangy. Boy oh boy, I always find mixing ingredients very therapeutic. Once your mind has been entertained, put in your beef, followed by chicken stock. We prefer to use beef stock, but apparently we ran out. Simply break the cube using your hands. Put in all your chunks of carrots. In goes your basmati rice. Of course, have another therapeutic session of mixing them ingredients. Then of course, season well with salt and pepper. Then put your evaporated creamer. Of course, you can use coconut milk or even just normal milk, but evaporated milk gives a hint of sweetness. The next step is to add 4 cups of water. So this is a standard cup used to measure rice. I think 160 represents 160 ml. The final ingredient is tomato puree. This one is actually optional, but hey, why not? Once you have all the ingredients inside the pressure cooker, simply press the cook button and that's it. Nothing more setting required. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes to cook. Boy oh boy, am I looking forward to eat.